Hey guys, so today we're taking out the rear end, the rear subframe. We're going to take it all apart, get all the control arms, the shock, rotors, and all that jazz off of the subframe, and we're going to degrease it. Lots to do on this car, but basically the suspension is done. Going to be done after this video, so that should be good.
Mm-hmm. Outsize.
I forgot they did that. If you guys are working on a 240, remember that Nissan changed some of the nut size to a different size on some of these bolts.
Oh, the 17 spun on there. There we go.
No, 19 spun. Oh.
That was 17.
Yeah, 17 spun, so I put an 18 on it. And you guys, and I didn't record it, but the other day I took off the other side, and all I had was a half-inch pressure bar, and that was not fun. What do you want to shake? Alright, so now this bolt. Might as well.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tilt it a little bit?
Like which back?
Yeah. That's I see. I don't really want to be using a 12-point socket on it, but
Was that the 12 point?
yeah,
Yikes.
I'm gonna have to do. Sway bar.
Out of here.
All yours. I'll put that in your car. Subframe's out. It was a lot easier with an impact. Definitely a lot easier with an impact. If you guys are building a drift car, I highly recommend getting an impact. River, can you grab that?
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter if it's an impact. This is literally a corded impact.
It's hard. I got it from Harbor Freight.
It does the job. Harper.
You don't need no snap on. I mean, you want an electric ratchet, you know, cordless or corded. It don't matter. It does the job.
Or pneumatic. Pneumatic works good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the subframe and we're gonna bring it to a local self car wash and we're gonna degrease it. So
Same thing with the front.
what we did with the front, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Take this rotor, just turn it.
You want to hit the rotor before it take off.
Turn it, lift it and spin it.
Keep hitting it, I'll spin it slowly.
A lot heavier. Turn it more. So guys, we got the rear subframe out, as you guys can see. We got all of the suspension parts off. Basically anything on this rear subframe. We degreased it. I gotta degrease it again. This one was kind of nasty. But the rear and the front are both going to be getting painted in the next couple videos. So that should be a pretty fun video.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna finish taking apart the engine bay. Just gotta take out brake lines, power steering lines, lots of goodies. And it's starting to chip away at putting it back together. At least suspension wise. Engine, we don't know what we're doing yet.
Yeah.
But with us getting the suspension, it should give us a hopefully boost of like something, figuring out what to put in the car. Not really sure what I want to do. I don't think I'm gonna put this motor back in. I don't think they are capable of power, but not a lot. I want a good amount of power, but not crazy amount. So we're just gonna have to see what engines come in mind, if we wanna LS swap it or do some kind of Japanese engine out of later model 240s or Skylines.
Yeah.
But that's basically gonna be it for today's video. If you guys have any like video ideas, please comment below or message us on our Instagram. Just look up CNG Garage and it should be the first one. Other than that, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe.